can see it. It's like I opened the door over some kind of a tree branch, kind of caved it in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my slot bar and grab that lip and pull it straight. Those towers, you want to be able to add threading to it so you can go higher if you want, but that's as versatile as you can get. And then it's just a very simple design as far as actually how it draws the hook up. Okay, got my angle iron with some leather on it. I'm gonna be right here. This is all metal. It's really strong, and that's what you want when you're going up against a car. You don't want to go up against a car with plastic, saggy equipment. Okay, I got a lower bite on it. Oh yeah, look at that. No problem. That's perfect right there. Okay, there it is, you know. It did the job. It brought that nice and straight. When I take it off, we're really gonna see it. But I'm leaving it on right now just so I can knock down, you can see it, this crown right here. I'm gonna just gently tap that down, and this repair, which could have taken a long time with all kinds of, you know, ideas on how to do it, but I like to just, in this case, leave the slider on and let my equipment do the job. Oh, that was a lot of tension there. Came out nice and straight.